Hey. Little paw. Little paw. Hey, Ginger. Hey, baby cakes. Sir Fluffykins. Sir Fluffykins. Come over here. Come here. Come on. Yeah, I'm being weird. Saturdays. Nothing to do. Huh. Little paw. What you doing? I think I know. You better not bite my toes. Don't bite them. I'll get you. You're just like, I don't care. I'm leaving. Oh? Oh? Ah! Ah! Don't bite my toes! Stop biting my toes. Ah! Hey, Mom, unless you want to be on YouTube, I recommend you go back inside. Well, Little Paw's up here. She's the star. I mean, so are they, but she's the main star. Little Paw. Little Paw. Come over here. Little Paw. Little Paw. Fine, you won't be the star. That's what I thought. I'm gonna go check this out. This is freaking adorable. People want to see this. Fight, fight, fight. Aw. Is it because I came over here? Is that why you stopped fighting? Oh? Go, Ginger! Ah. Oh, now you're going after her baby cakes, really? Dang, Ginger, your own brother. Your own brother and sister. Sir Fluffykins, your name needs to be changed. You know that? I mean, you aren't a sir. You're her. I feel bad for you. Oh? Oh! What you gonna do? Oh! Be careful. Be careful. Go, Ginger. Go, Ginger. You can do this, Ginger. I believe in you. Ah! Really? I see how it is. Well, you have them distract me so you can bite my toes. Is that it? Ah! I'm watching you. I want to watch them too. Little paw, I feel that. Alright, well, say goodbye to the camera, little paw. Okay, bye.